if you have a WordPress website and your emails are not sending, whether it's a WooCommerce orders or contact form messages or password reset emails, these emails are not sending to your email ID. And those emails, here you can see this is my Gmail ID, and whenever someone orders any products in my e-commerce website, okay, let me visit my e-commerce website. So here you can see this is my e-commerce website, and whenever someone orders a particular product in my e-commerce website, I am receiving those orders in my spam mail. Here you can see you have got a new order, and here you can see your website has been received an order. So I am the admin, I am getting these emails to my spam folder, and also the customers who have ordered the products, they are also receiving their order, like a new order details or thanks for your order details messages, mails to their spam folders. Okay, so in order to avoid this, so whenever someone orders a particular product or whenever someone sends a contact form inquiry forms in your website, so they should be directly received to the inbox. So in order to receive to the inbox, we use this plugin that like WP Mail SMTP by WP Forms. Okay, we will use this plugin when we connect this plugin, this SMTP plugin to our e-commerce website or your normal website. So it makes the emails to send directly to the inbox, so it will not send to the spam mails. Okay, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix your WordPress email issue step by step for free. Let's get started. Now first, let's go to our website dashboard, and here click on this plugins option. You need to select this plugins option from the backend. Click on this here, add new plugin, and here you need to click on this upload plugin. Okay, and go to browser and type SMTP plugin. Here you will find this website like wordpress.com, wordpress.org, the most popular SMTP and email log plugin, or else you can visit this website also, WP Mail SMTP Pro. So here you can see this is a website they have created, WP SMTP plugin. Okay, now open this website. Okay, the most popular SMTP plugin or email setup. Here you can see this is a plugin we need to install. Here you will see an option called download option. Click on this download option, and this plugin will be downloaded in zip format. And now after plugin downloaded successfully, you need to click on this choose file, and you need to drag and drop this file into this file. So now let me drag this file into this folder. Here you can see, and now let me click on install now. After downloading, you need to upload this plugin in zip format only. After installing the plugin, uploading the plugin, you need to activate that plugin. Click on activate plugin. So you will be redirected to this page. You need to set up this wizard. Click on this let's get started option. And here we will get like a lot of options like choose your SMTP mailer. Here you will find a lot of options here. First we will select this Google option. Okay, click on save and continue. And here you need to click on I understand and continue. And now we need to set up this here we need to configure the mailer settings. Let me scroll down. After scrolling down, here you can see we need to add client ID and client secret in our website. If I scroll up, here you can see we will get this option, read how to set up Gmailer. If I open this in new tab, so here you can see you will find how to set up these options. We need to create like a Google mailer, like we need to create an account in Google Cloud. So after creating the Google Cloud, you will get like client ID and client secret, and we need to add their client ID and client secret in this option. Okay, I will show you how to create it. Okay, so now open your website in new tab, and again let's go to this dashboard option. Okay, so don't close this tab. Let me go to this another tab, and let's go to this dashboard option. And on the left side bottom, you will find this option called WP Mail SMTP. Please do click on this option. And if I scroll down below, here you need to add your email ID and your form name. Okay, here I will type like e-commerce website. Here I will type e-commerce website, and we need to select this Google option, and we need to enter that Google client ID and client secret. In order to add that Google client ID and client secret, let's go to this new tab, and here search for Google Search Console, and open new tab and type like Google Cloud. Here we need to open this website like cloud.google.com. Let me open this website, and here you can see we will get this option on the top right side. You will see this option called Cloud Console option. Let me click on this console option, and here you will get these options, and here you need to select this option like demo user. Click on this option, and here you need to select this new project. Okay, let me select this new project option, and here you need to name this project name as SMTP Mail 2026, or else you can add your website name also, and click on this create now option. And here you can see your project will start creating. Here you can select this project, or else here you can click on this user option, and here you will find this option like SMTP Mail 2026. We have created this project. Please do select this project, or you can also select this project. So after selecting the project, before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. And here let me click on this three dots option. Here you will see this option called APIs and services. Let me select this APIs and services option, and here you need to select this library option. Click on this library option, and here in the search bar type Gmail API. Okay, here you can see you need to type Gmail API and select this Gmail API, and here you can see this is the API we need to select this Gmail API, and now you need to enable this Gmail API. Let me click on this enable option. After enabling this Gmail API, you need to click on this create credentials option. Here you can see on the top right side you will find this credentials options, or else you can select this credentials option over here. You can click on this create credential options. Okay, and on the top right side you will find this option like create credentials. Click on this create credentials option, and here you need to select an API, Gmail API, and you need to select this option called user data, and after that you need to click on this next option, and here you need to type app name. Let me type app name as SMTP Ecom 2026. Okay, and you need to add your supported email ID, and here I have selected my email ID. After selecting the email ID, scroll down and you need to click on this save and continue option, and also you can add your developer email ID also, and here you can add your email ID also. Here add your developer email ID and click on this save and continue option, and you will be redirected to this scope option. Please scroll down, and now please scroll down and click on this save and continue option, and here you need to select OAuth client ID. Here you need to expand this. You need to click on this drop down option, and you need to select this web application option OAuth ID, and after that you have to name this web application name as per your requirements. Let me scroll down and scroll down here. Here you need to add this authorized redirect URIs. Let me click on this add authorized redirect URIs. Now you need to go back to your website, and please do select this WP SMTP settings option, and here you will find like, if I scroll down, you will find like authorized redirect URI, or else previously we have opened this option, no, setup wizard. Here you will find this option like authorized redirect URI. You need to copy this authorized redirect URI, and again you need to come to this website, come to this tab, and you need to paste that authorized URI over here. After that you have to click on this create option, and now here you can see the client ID has been created. Let me copy this client ID. Let me go to this website here. You can set up from here or from backend also. Okay, you can select SMTP mail settings. You can add your client ID over here. Okay, or else you can add client ID over here also. I have pasted my client ID over here, and I can go back to this page and click on done option. Okay, after creating client IDs, and here you can see this is OAuth 2.0 client IDs. You need to select this client ID, copy this client ID, and again you need to paste over here if you don't paste previously. Okay, and after that you need to select this OAuth consent screen. Let me select this OAuth consent screen, and after that here you need to select this audience option. You need to publish this app. Click on publish and confirm it. Okay, after confirming, again go to this overview option, and you need to select this clients option, and this is the client you need to select. Please do select this client option, and we need to copy and paste the client secret ID. Here you can see this is a client secret. You need to copy here client secret below here, and you need to paste that client secret over here, and after that click on this continue to Google option. After adding this client ID and client secret, you need to click on this connect to Google option, and here you need to select your Gmail ID what you have given in the website. Let me select my Gmail ID, and here you will get this option, and you have to click on this advanced option. You don't need to worry. Okay, and here you need to click on this go to wpmail.com option, and here it will show these options. Let me scroll down, and here it will show like these options. Click on this continue option, and here you can see the authorization has been successful. Okay, click on OK. If I scroll down here and click on this save continue, and scroll down below again, click on this save and continue, and here it will ask you like your email address. You can click on this save and continue option, and please do scroll down here. You can skip this step, and here you can see we have successfully configured this WP Mail SMTP in our website. Click on this finish setup option, and if you scroll down if you come to backend, here in the settings you can select this WP Mail SMTP, and if I scroll down option this, you can see the form name, and if you have successfully configured the client ID and client secret. Okay, we have successfully authorized everything, and from now on if anyone submits any contact form in your website, so it will be directly received to your inbox, or else if someone orders a particular product in your website, it will be directly you will receive those email IDs to your inbox. Okay, it will not go to the spam mail. Okay, and also the customers also receive those emails to their inbox only. Okay, and that's how you can configure this WP SMTP mail. You can visit my YouTube channel, and here you can find this e-commerce website designing 6 hours plus video. So you can learn in-depth concepts about e-commerce website designing. Okay, and also you can find many videos regarding WordPress videos, okay, in my YouTube channel. Okay,
If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.